Welcome to this comprehensive travel guide, designed for those eager to explore the stunning landscapes of the United States. We're about to embark on a visual journey, traversing 20 of the most beautiful destinations across the country. So buckle up and prepare for a journey through America's most breathtaking sights. Starting our journey at number 20, we have the iconic Niagara Falls. Straddling the border of the United States and Canada, these falls are a testament to nature's raw power and beauty. The thunderous roar of water cascading over the cliffs is a symphony to the ears. With its misty rainbows and moonlit glows, Niagara Falls offers an unforgettable spectacle that captivates millions of visitors each year. The falls are not just a sight to behold, but an experience to be lived. Niagara Falls leaves every visitor in awe with its sheer size and power. Next on our list at number 19 is the serene Glacier Bay. This majestic bay nestled in Alaska is a haven of tranquil beauty. With towering glaciers, it's a spectacle of the raw power and grandeur of nature. But it's not just about the ice. Glacier Bay is also home to a diverse array of wildlife. From humpback whales to bald eagles, this is a place where life thrives amidst the ice. Glacier Bay is a testament to the untouched beauty of nature. Moving on to number 18, we find ourselves in the enchanting Antelope Canyon. Nestled in the heart of the American Southwest, this natural marvel is a maze of sandstone that dances with dappled sunlight. The canyon's corridors, sculpted by years of wind and water, showcase a symphony of color and form. Sunbeams pierce the depth, creating a mesmerizing display of light and shadow. This is no ordinary landscape, but a canvas painted by nature herself. Antelope Canyon is a photographer's paradise, offering a spectacle of light and color. At number 17, we have the scenic Blue Ridge Parkway. This ribbon of road weaves its way through the Appalachian Highlands, offering dramatic views of the eastern United States. It's like a moving postcard, with every bend revealing a new tableau of lush forests, mist-covered mountains, and hidden valleys. The Parkway is a dream come true for road trip enthusiasts, presenting an ever-changing landscape that encapsulates the heart of America's countryside. The Blue Ridge Parkway offers a picturesque drive through the heart of America's countryside. Number 16 on our list is the awe-inspiring Arches National Park. Nestled in the heart of Utah, this park is a marvel of over 2,000 natural stone arches, a spectacle unlike any other. Imagine hiking under these colossal structures, each one sculpted by time and weather, each one unique. This isn't just a park, it's a gallery of nature's artistry, where each arch tells a story of geological time. Arches National Park is a testament to the natural wonders that time and weather can create. At number 15, we have the majestic Multnomah Falls. This waterfall, cascading from a breathtaking height of over 600 feet, is nestled in the verdant landscapes of Oregon. It's not just about the falls, though. The surrounding area is a playground for nature enthusiasts, with hiking trails and picnic spots aplenty. And let's not forget the iconic Benson Footbridge, offering a unique perspective of the falls. Truly, Multnomah Falls is a stunning vertical spectacle that nature lovers can't afford to miss. Number 14 on our list is the iconic Golden Gate Bridge. This striking marvel, draped in international orange, is a true symbol of San Francisco. Completed in 1937, it's not just a bridge, but a testament to human ingenuity. The Golden Gate Bridge, spanning the entrance to the San Francisco Bay from the Pacific Ocean, is an integral part of California's transportation system. Its architectural grandeur and historical significance make it more than just a passage, it's a destination. The Golden Gate Bridge stands as a testament to human ingenuity and a symbol of California's charm. Next, at number 13, we have the charming city of Savannah. A city steeped in history, Savannah is a living testament to the past, with its cobblestone streets, antebellum architecture, and moss-draped oaks. But it's not just the past that defines Savannah. The city is also known for its southern hospitality, with warm, welcoming locals ready to share a story or point you to the best local eats. Savannah is a city that exudes old-world charm and southern warmth. At number 12 on our list are the tropical Florida Keys. Imagine a chain of sun-kissed islands connected by a ribbon of road, stretching out into a turquoise sea. Here you'll find pristine beaches, teeming with a wealth of unique wildlife. But the Keys aren't just about natural beauty. They also offer a laid-back lifestyle, where the pace is slow, the people are friendly, and every day feels like a vacation. The Florida Keys offer a slice of tropical paradise in the United States. Number 11 on our list is the breathtaking Glacier National Park. Nestled in the heart of Montana, this park is home to over 50 active glaciers and a diverse range of wildlife. Whether you're hiking up to Grinnell Glacier, spotting a grizzly bear in the wild, or kayaking on the serene Lake McDonald, the park offers ample opportunities for adventure. As the seasons change, so does the park's beauty, providing a new spectacle with every visit. Glacier National Park is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. Cracking the top 10, at number 10 we have the enchanting town of Sedona. Known for its mesmerizing red rock formations, Sedona is a spectacle to behold. But the beauty of Sedona doesn't stop at its natural wonders. This town is also renowned for its vibrant art scene, hosting numerous galleries and festivals. And let's not forget the spiritual experiences Sedona offers, making it a haven for those seeking tranquility and self-discovery. Sedona is a town that blends natural beauty with art and spirituality. At number 9, we have the unique Great Sand Dunes. Nestled in the heart of Colorado, these majestic dunes rise like an unexpected desert, dwarfing everything in their path. They are the tallest in North America, offering a landscape that's out of this world. But it's not just about the views. The dunes offer a playground for sandboarding and sand sledding, adding a touch of thrill to the beauty. So if you're up for an adventure, remember, the Great Sand Dunes offer an unexpected and thrilling desert adventure. Number 8 on our list is the picturesque Lake Tahoe. Nestled in the Sierra Nevada mountains, Lake Tahoe's pristine, clear waters mirror the surrounding peaks, creating a breathtaking spectacle. The lake isn't just for admiring from afar, though. It's a hub of recreational activities, from boating and fishing in the summer to skiing and snowboarding in the winter. The area's hiking and biking trails offer unparalleled views of the lake and its mountainous backdrop. Lake Tahoe is a year-round destination, offering stunning landscapes and a host of outdoor activities. At number 7, we have the iconic Monument Valley. This vast red sand desert is punctuated by towering sandstone buttes, some reaching over 1,000 feet high, creating a landscape that is truly out of this world. Monument Valley is more than just a natural wonder. It's a culturally rich site, deeply tied to the Navajo Nation. Its mesmeric terrain has also graced the silver screen in numerous films, making it a recognizable symbol of the American West. Monument Valley offers a journey into the heart of the American West. Number 6 on our list is the majestic Grand Teton National Park. Set in Wyoming's Rocky Mountains, it's home to the towering Teton Range, a sight that leaves visitors spellbound. The park is a haven teeming with wildlife. Elk, moose, and even grizzly bears roam freely. Outdoor enthusiasts can indulge in a myriad of activities, from hiking and climbing to fishing and camping. Each trail offers unique perspectives of the jagged peaks and serene alpine lakes. Grand Teton National Park offers a stunning mountain landscape that's every hiker's dream. At number 5, we have the dramatic Pali Coast. Secluded on the north shore of Kauai, Hawaii, these towering cliffs, carved by centuries of wind and water, rise majestically above the Pacific Ocean. This scenic wonder can only be fully appreciated from the water or air, offering a truly unique perspective. Each vantage point reveals another facet of its raw, untamed beauty. From emerald valleys to cascading waterfalls, every inch is a testament to nature's power. The Pali Coast offers a glimpse into the raw beauty and power of nature. Number 4 on our list is the iconic Yosemite Valley. This awe-inspiring expanse in California's Sierra Nevada mountains is known for its towering granite cliffs, including the famous El Capitan and Half Dome. The valley's breathtaking waterfalls, such as Yosemite Falls, cascade into the valley from great heights. Visitors are drawn to the abundant outdoor activities, from hiking and rock climbing to photography and wildlife watching. It's not just a valley, it's an adventure waiting to happen. Yosemite Valley is a testament to the grandeur of nature. At number 3, we have the bustling city of Manhattan. This metropolis is a collage of iconic structures that punctuate the skyline, from the Empire State Building to the Statue of Liberty. Manhattan's cultural significance is unmatched, home to Broadway's vibrant theater scene and the prestigious art collections of the Metropolitan Museum. The city pulses with an energy that's palpable, its streets teeming with life at all hours. Manhattan is a city that never sleeps, offering endless opportunities for exploration. Number 2 on our list is the stunning Horseshoe Bend. Tucked away in the great expanse of the American Southwest, this natural wonder boasts a unique shape that is a marvel to behold. It's nestled in the city of Page, Arizona, where the Colorado River takes a dramatic turn, creating an awe-inspiring panoramic view. From the cliff edge, the river's emerald green water contrasts beautifully with the red rocks, offering an unforgettable sight. Horseshoe Bend offers a unique and awe-inspiring landscape that's truly a sight to behold. And finally, at number 1, we have the vibrant Grand Prismatic Spring. The largest hot spring in the United States and third largest in the world, it's nestled in the heart of Yellowstone National Park. Its vivid colors, from cerulean blue to fiery orange, are a product of unique bacterial life. This stunning palette paints an otherworldly picture that truly sets it apart. Grand Prismatic Spring is a natural wonder that dazzles with its vibrant colors and sheer size. That concludes our journey through the 20 most beautiful destinations in the United States. We've explored from the thundering Niagara Falls to the colorful Grand Prismatic Spring and everywhere in between. Each of these destinations offers a unique experience, showcasing the diverse beauty and charm of the United States. Until next time, safe travel.